Let's imagine that I wanted to take a trip to Toronto and had no idea what I might see there on my visit. One way I could predetermine that would be to use the iNaturalist filtering program. So once again, I'm going to click Filter, and this time I'm going to enter a date range of this week. I've pre-done that, so April 3rd to the 9th, and I'm going to type in a place of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I'm going to update my search and also notice that I've changed from the grid format that we were looking at before to the list format. This provides me with an opportunity to quickly scan the variety of organisms that have been seen in this geographical location within the past week, and also notice that it provides information about sublocations such as Humber Bay Park where these organisms have been seen. Obviously, there's quite a few different species of birds, a few invertebrates, a few mammals, and perhaps more than you might have imagined for this time of year in Toronto. So this is a great way to get an idea of some of the organisms that you might see if you were to also go to a particular location. And for the first time, perhaps you'll be adding to your life list of organisms that you've seen, and that would be a great adventure and a great way to spend some time out in the natural world. So we've had quite a few different observations within the past week. I know I'm kind of scrolling quickly. Hopefully you're not getting too dizzy, but it gives you an idea of some of the things that have been seen multiple times and some of the unique species that have been encountered. Notice that their list is quite a bit longer. We're not going to take the time to scroll through everything.